Now this is construction material. I just sand it up so it will be easily to observe finish or stain or color. And now I'm gonna just cut the corners as only the side to make it perfectly square. So after that I'm gonna route it a little bit or use a planer to make a corner that will not be getting chips outside or something, and then sand it, give it a small sanding on the sides, and then you're gonna see what will happen with this. Just keep watching. This is gonna be something you need to have it at your home. This is what I mean by giving a sanding to the corner so it will not be a 90 degrees. See this, it start giving out pieces of hair and chips, especially when you're working with construction material to make it as a furniture or something. So you will have this, see, coming out for eternity. It will not stop. It will not stop. And if you color it, so it will start coming out every time, and the color will be, you will be losing the color on the corners, so it will be bad, or it will look afterward like two colors. It will be not nice. But if you, I use a router, but if you like, you can use a piece of sanding paper, a sanding paper by hand, and only just go on it like use 180 grid and just go on it to make it smooth and curved, so it will not lose the color or the stain, or it will not look bad after a while. I made a notch over here, so because I have a listing, floor listing in my house on the floor, so it will go over the listing. So it will not be against, it will be exactly against the wall, standing exactly against the wall. It will not be like this, and there is this 1 centimeter empty space. So if somebody sit down behind on the bench, on the couch, he will push it, you know? So I made this over here, an empty space, so it will sit down perfectly and touch the wall. So it will not be any problem, and it will not be like if you put it like this without the notch, so anybody will sit on the couch, he will push, it will be pushed all the time because there's 1 centimeter distance between the stand and the wall. But if you make the notch, so you don't have that problem, it will just fit on the wall, so there's nothing is gonna push it. So it will, the things that you put, if you put a vase or something on the top, it will stay there, it will not be wiggling or moving. So this is a small tip. Just remember to make this notch if you have a list on the flooring in your house. And this is how to make a normal construction wood into fancy looking furnitures. See, I give, this is the first face, this is the second one, and there is a, then I will sand it and give it the third one on the top, so it will be perfectly colored and perfect as it can be. And of course I have sanded before I start working to make it observe the color as much as it can. You see the difference? I need to sand it from this to this, so this way it will observe and take the finish or the painting perfectly than this. You get it? That's it, how it's gone. And keep watching, you will see how it will end. Now it's ready. As you see, it's clean and perfect. I just painted 3 times, very light painting. And now I'm gonna add this guys over here, and this is the legs. You see the notch. that will be like this, and it will be standing up, and this is gonna be behind the sofas at the living room. I'll show you how to look in the end. This is how each one of them is gonna look like. So there are 3 of them, each one is in a size. I will show you how I'll put it on the couch. This is how it looks like now. See, you can put cups or put roses or flowers, candles on the back. You can make pictures on the top and the light. It's up to you. This is something I made before, but it, by luck, it fits the new sofa. So, what do you think about the idea? And I painted the exact same color of the wall, so it will not look like, it will look like there is a shelf on the wall. I made it like this. So tell me in the comments, how do you like it?